is my mom.
What's going on?
Uncle, bro, this is my mom.
Okay.
My mom. And she kicked me out for no reason.
Okay. What?
Wow, she really called the police
Yeah,
on
she
me.
really did. We're really here, and we're really talking to you. What's going on?
Ask her. And I woke up in the morning.
Where did you wake up?
I woke up on close to Brady Street.
Okay.
And then they asked me where I want to get Uber to.
Okay.
And I asked them to Uber to my mom's house because she has Wi-Fi. I don't have Wi-Fi at my house. I just moved there.
You got
an
an Uber to your mom's house? Do you live here?
No, I live in Hales Corners.
Okay.
But
So you got an Uber to mom's house because she's got Wi-Fi?
I just wanted to be here, just to be here. And because she does have Wi-Fi, and I was trying to figure something out.
Okay.
If I were to get Uber to my house, I don't have Wi-Fi.
Okay.
So I'm shit out of luck.
What happened when you went in the house?
Nothing.
Nothing?
She got mad.
Yelling? I mean, how do you go from just getting home?
Because she knew I was under the influence.
How did you get in the house?
But I'm 25.
How did you get in the house?
She let me in.
Okay. So she let you in?
Yes.
And she could tell you've been drinking?
I wasn't drinking.
Well, what do you mean you're under? I know.
I was drinking when I got there.
She was aware that you had been drinking prior to coming here.
No.
Okay.
She did not, like, when I came here, I wasn't drinking. But I'm not going to lie to you. Like, who ordered me an Uber? I made him stop at this gas station and I got a little bit of Fireball. But I'm not drunk.
So, was there any...
She really called the police on me.
Did anybody...
You snake-ass bitch! I hate this bitch!
Listening to
So
you...
what did she say, though?
Listening to you call her a snake-ass bitch.
Oh, yeah,
and you
I
broke all of her
admitted
stuff.
But I admitted to it.
So you are confused why she's upset. I think that may be why.
Up and put it back.
Do you behave this way when you're not drinking?
I've been getting kicked out since I was 15.
Yeah.
A junior in high school.
Okay.
So, yeah. No, this isn't like a normal activity.
This is not, or it is?
No.
It's not?
No.
Okay.
I'll do it some more. Fuck.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
I'm not lying about shit,
so,
bro.
like,
I'm 25 years old.
What do you, when I came up, you were still knocking on the door. What do you need in there?
Figure out how the I'm gonna get home.
Oh, you need her help.
I don't need her help. I need her Wi-Fi.
You need her what?
Wi-Fi. Because my phone broke.
Oh, you need her help.
Like, you're a weird-ass bitch!
Well,
like, that shit is lame! That shit is so lame!
This is the behavior I'm asking you about. That's a police officer.
I don't give a I want my phone! I need my iPhone, please. It's the only way I have communication. Can you go in there and get it for me, please?
No.
Or did you take it?
No, I have nothing of yours. I don't think you're gonna fix
I don't
it.
care. No.
Okay. It'd be easier if you put your phone down. You're gonna hurt yourself.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
She came up and then I said, what is your game plan? Because you're under the influence and you're not welcome here. Like, I welcome that and that's great, but if you come here and you're under the influence, you're not welcome here like that. And well, where am I supposed to go? I'm like, I'll Uber you somewhere. I don't have anywhere to go. And I'm like, and then she got close and she's like, so if I kill myself tonight, like that's going to be on you. You're going to be okay with that? You're going to be okay with that? And also, I know when someone's under the influence, they're not thinking clearly. And all I can think of, I need to get her out of my home.
You just told me. You work at Bosch. Mm-hmm. Gotcha.
What'd she say?
Oh, she just told me what was going on.
No. Can I know what she said?
Well,
why don't you have a seat and I'll go talk to my partner over there and then we'll talk to you about what she said. Can you just do us a favor and sit down?
Why is that fair? You guys know I'm not malicious. I just want to know.
I don't think you're malicious, but can you just have a seat? I don't want you to fall down and get hurt. Can you just...
not gonna.
Okay, thanks. Can you just sit down?
She's gonna call the cops on you again if I sit on your board.
No, she won't. We're here already.
we got enough for a 1080. I mean, she said that she wanted her gone. She deliberately had locked the front screen door to keep her out. As soon as the damage started happening, she became scared that it was going to continue or she was going to break in the house and hurt her and the other kids. We got enough for it.
DC,
Yeah, CDTD.
criminal damage.
Yeah,
Done.
I think more than enough. So here's what's going to be happening today, okay? Clearly, you know you can't do this kind of stuff, right? Like,
Do what?
well, all the damage, you know that.
Bro, what, push over Christmas decorations?
Well, but you can't do
It's
that
my
stuff.
mom, huh?
I understand, but
It's not fair. You're gonna put me under arrest, not gonna go to jail?
that's what's going to happen today, okay? So
Why?
I don't want this to be problematic.
Why?
Because you broke the law.
Why did I break the law?
You can't damage people's stuff.
Talk to her again, please.
No, it doesn't matter what she said. She didn't want you to be prosecuted.
Why am I? Because I threw over the pot? That's not fair.
That's part of it, but that's what happens. That's domestic violence law.
It's
We're
my
mandated
house.
to make an arrest.
Bro, no, I'm not going to. I have nobody to even get me out.
Okay, well, what are you doing? Get your hand out of the front of your pants, because I know you had a vape down there. Put your hands behind your back for me. Hold on.
Are you serious?
Come on.
So, Mom, you want me to get arrested? We're really gonna put me in jail.
Okay.
No, like, go on there.
Yeah, because you keep twisting around.
Because
Just walk
why am I going to jail? Jail!
Don't kick me!
Why are you putting me in jail? And you want to go harder? You want to go harder? You want to go harder? Put your hands on me, bitch. Put your hands on me. Put your hands. I can't breathe! I can't breathe! Me! Get off me!
Do you have anything on you at all?
No!
Any pockets?
Get off! Get your hands off my head! Ah! 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 Mom! Get your hand off! Get off my... You're not! He is! Tell him to get the my head!
That's my hand. I'm not
Get
going
off
to-
my head!
You're not-
Get off my head! Get off my head! Get off my head! Get off my head!
I just have to. Hey,
Get off my head!
and we'll put you in the squad, okay? And then they're not gonna hold on to you, okay?
Off me! Off me! Bro, you fuck off me, bitch!
Sit down.
Yeah, bitch, what you wanna do? What you wanna do?
Nope. Not kicking me. Nope.
What I did?
And guess what? You just got charged with battery to appeal.
Don't give a
All right.
Can we switch keys?
Sure thing. Yep. No, it's fine. Yeah, that's good. Start with the DD paperwork, and if you could, yeah. And if you could, make sure to ID the juveniles, because they were part of it.
Yep. Alright.
She needed to be arrested. That's how that went. I could tell what the mom wanted, but no, this is DV law, You okay, partner?
Yeah.
Right? Alright, you got photos? She's got paperwork. I'll talk to Tomei, see if I can go straight out. This is going to be... turning her vapes over to her mom.
Open it and test it.
If you want to. I can't let you do that. She doesn't want to press charges.
Why am I getting arrested?
Because Wisconsin law tells law enforcement that we have to.
No, that's
Okay.
her by not wanting to press charges. Please.
Okay.
Here, please.
So-
Please. I can't breathe, bro. Please. No.
Now, can you sit up and put your feet over there so I can seatbelt you?
This shit's tight as shit.
Well, I will look at your handcuffs, but you have to follow what I'm asking you to do.
No. Can you just please tell her to release all charges, please?
She doesn't want to charge you. I'm telling you, this is Wisconsin
So
law.
what
That's
the you guys want to arrest me?
because Wisconsin law tells us we have to.
No, that's not. If somebody wants to press charges.
Nope, not
Can you
with,
have-
not with domestic violence.
Can I just talk to my mom?
Nope. So, can you put your feet over there?
Can you tell my mom come out here? I'm not gonna hurt her.
Nope, I can't.
Please,
I can't do
I
that.
have
to you.
nothing on my record, bro. You can even see that. What?
Well, now you have a couple charges here. Okay. So, are you going to put your feet there or not? Because I can't look at your handcuffs when you're facing me.
Can I talk to my mom?
No, not right now.
Why?
Because she's the victim of a domestic violence incident. I
That's
can't.
what I'm saying. And if she says I didn't put my hands on her, I promise.
You don't have to put your hands on her to be
What
committing
do you
domestic
mean?
violence. You're destroying her property.
I didn't destroy because I knocked.
You destroyed property. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm not here to debate this with you. Are you going to listen to what I'm asking you to do and put your feet over there so I can look at your handcuffs?
I just. Where?
There's glass all over the yard, all over the
Where?
front stoop.
Where?
Yep, we're going straight up.
No. I just need some. Honestly.
I don't think so. I mean,
Can I just please talk to somebody, please? Please.
I appreciate that, buddy.
Can I please?
You talking to me? I'm your arresting officer.
I understand. I just want to talk to her.
I can't let you. I legally cannot let you do that.
I'm 25.
Okay, I've been doing this almost as long as you've been alive.
Can you please bring my mama? I'm not gonna hurt her. I never put my hands on her. I never put my hands on her. I just want to talk to her, please. I have nothing on my record, bro. You have no under.
Falls 119.
Falls 119.
I'll be transporting this female 1080 straight out to jail. Copy transport miles.
Please. Please.
Here, Falls
Please.
119.
And if you can make the case active and advise
Are
number,
you
please.
serious? Why can I not talk to my own mom?
Because you committed an act of domestic
No,
violence.
And my mom's not pressing charges. What do you mean? I didn't break any glass. I threw plants. Please.
Our 10-8 was a citation.
That's why my mom didn't want to press charges, and I should not be in the back of a cop car, please. I will leave her alone. Wow. Wow. Are you serious right now?